Water is their necessary means for survival. However, the availability of fresh water is very limited due to water supplies no longer sufficient to meet all human or ecosystem requirements. It is continually collected, purified, and distributed in the natural water cycle. Despite the water being obviously sufficient, up to half of the world's population faces a water crisis that is rising at an alarming pace, particularly in developing countries where physical and economic scarcity of water prevails. Moreover, electricity serves a variety of purposes. It is important in our daily lives. Electricity powers many of our everyday activities, including the entertainment, work, convenience, and etc. However, many islands' power systems are dealing with rising electricity and fossil cost, which is posing a financial and reliability issue. In addition, islands across the world depend on fossil fuels imports for power production that is not good for our environment. Electrical energy from renewable sources has become extremely needed due to several reasons, such as the expanding demand of electricity, a constant rise in oil price, reduction of fossil fuel, and environmental issues. Many communities like our target area, the group of islands of Mercedes, Camarines Norte, Apua Grande, Kinapagian, Malasugi, Apua Panquiña, Canton, Caringo, and Canimog, suffers and struggling in this electricity and water scarcity.
Due to the inefficiency of water supply and electricity, the proponents conducted a research study that will address the said problem. The SOLDEC is mainly focused on determining the efficacy of solar-powered desalination system and seawater generator as an alternative water and electricity source. The study targets remote areas and isolated islands whose marginalization is increased by a lack of electricity and drinking water. A particular focus of the study is the conflict-affected particular areas in Camarines Norte, where poverty is disproportionately high and over a quarter of the population lives without electricity and clean water to use and drink. Because of high solar-to-vapor content, low toxicity, and off-grid capacity, advanced solar desalination through interfacial evaporation has tremendous potential in responding to global water shortage. Desalination of seawater is an efficient way to meet the growing need for fresh water. Furthermore, the study key goal is to develop a new and revolutionary source of potable water and electricity.
The main objective of this research is to see how effective and acceptable the dual-purpose device is as a desalinating system and a power generator. The aim of the study is to provide an alternative supply of electricity and potable water for the certain problem of the respondents. Furthermore, by implementing this concept and idea, freshwater efficiency would be improved, new resources would be created, and utility costs would be reduced. By this, the development of a modern and innovative source of potable water and electricity could be a viable solution to the problem.
SOLDEC has two combined systems, the seawater generator and desalination system. The seawater generator is composed of aluminum tube pipe and copper wire that is attached to the tray or the water container of the device by the use of Volcasil and heat shrink to tighten the side of the material. We also use a hard plastic sheet to separate the electrolytes to have a seawater cell. The positive electrode or the cathode is the copper wire and the negative electrode or the anode is the aluminum tube pipe. And the seawater serves as the channel or the way for the electrons or electrical energy to travel between the electrodes.
The desalination system of the device is constructed using glass panels, PVC pipes, metal frames, and the tray or the metal container for the seawater. The glass was cut into 4 triangles forming a pyramid using glass sealant. PVC pipes were placed at the base of the glass pyramid's edges by cutting the top portions of the tubes. The metal frames holds the pyramid and PVC pipes in place while adding durability. The desalination system uses the solar energy or the heat from the sun in order to heat up the seawater, making it evaporate inside the device. Once it evaporates, it lets out any salt contents or minerals. It then condenses onto the glass pyramid where, once it accumulates, drips down into the PVC pipes. From there, pure desalinated water is collected through a hole on the side of the device.
The device SolDC solar-based desalination system and seawater generator is a dual-purpose device that provides a number of benefits for the betterment of the people and the community. For the solar desalination, it meets the demands of fresh water supply, resolves the scarcity of potable water in conflicted areas, provides an alternative solution and source for fresh water, reduces water consumption, and preserves freshwater resources.
While the seawater generator can serve as an alternative electricity source for places that lack electricity. It can be a provider in a sudden power outage, lessen electricity consumption, and can be an investment in outdoor activities because it can power many devices that are needed. Overall, this device introduces a newfound system that has great benefit to the community as it is a source of potable water and electricity.
To start the experimentation process, the researchers left the device under the sun for 5 hours so that the seawater will evaporate and condense afterwards. Based on the results that were collected during the experimental process, the effectiveness of the SolDC as a desalination system in terms of amount of desalinated water, the device can manage to produce 220 milliliters of desalinated water within 5 hours. Since the only source of heat is solar energy, the process of evaporating and condensing seawater takes too long, and the weather is not always favorable. As for the effectiveness of the SolDC in terms of how effectively it removes salt from the saline water, the desalinated water contains 0 grams of salt after the desalination process with an initial salt content of 34 grams. With regards to the effectiveness of the device in desalinating seawater in terms of time frame, the device was left under the sun for 5 hours to evaluate the device efficiency. In conclusion, the device solar-based desalination system can produce 220 milliliters of potable water in 5 hours and was observed to be effective in removing salt water from saline water.
On the other hand, the seawater generator was conducted and observed every 30 minutes to test the device efficiency. We, the researchers, used a voltmeter, an instrument that measures electric potential in volts, to determine the level of effectiveness of the device as a seawater generator in terms of power output. The findings showed that as time passes, the voltage decreases, resulting in a total average voltage of 0.866. Since this is the first prototype of the device, it is understandable that the voltage is not as strong yet. In terms of sustainability, it has been illustrated that the electricity produced by the seawater generator over a certain time is consistent and continuous.
12 respondents assessed the effectiveness of the device. In terms of structure and design, the average mean was calculated to 3.42, while the system and mechanism get an average mean of 3.25. And for cost effectiveness, the average mean was 3.58, wherein all the 3 sections are acceptable. Overall, the general weighted mean of the rate of acceptability of the device SolDC was 3.47, which interpreted the data as acceptable.